I want us to talk about this trade. USD ZAR. It was an amazing trade, of course, and let me just show you before. This is it, and I gave out this as a free signal, guys. Just you can try to zoom right here. That was on March 18th, and today is 19th. And of course, let me show you that I gave out this signal to my public Telegram. Let me show you right over here. Okay, let's go. USD ZAR, take a buy, stop loss, blah blah blah, entry level. That is it. So this is when it was playing out. This was 114 pips, 150 pips, as it plays out. And this, of course, I sent them this before, and this is currently, that is yesterday, and sign out. That is when my TP was hit. So let me show you what I saw and how I took this trade, or how I analyze this market. So I'll go back to the daily. Okay, very simple, guys. Let me show you. So this is how the trade was looking like. So if I take out all this drawing, you see that is it. So I had no drawing. There were no so much drawing, but you can see only marked the lowest and the highest zone. So this was the last low and this is the last high, and kind of there was this level too. So if we have this as a supply, a demand right here, and of course we had a supply right here. So I keep on saying that you guys, we need to understand how price is approaching a support or a resistance. So let me show you right over there. So if we see that, okay, this market gave us this type of an approach, that was just a confirmation that your price wanted to reverse to go to the upper side. But let me just take you back before we go to the lower time frame. Let me show you something. We see that generally this market has been on an uptrend. So the only thing we should have been looking out for is strictly buy position. So let's just go to the H4. Now from the H4 perspective, there was so many confluence, guys. We had an inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and also this is the right shoulder. So let's go to the 1 hour. I need to show you something, guys. So you just need to be smart enough, and you need to be good in patterns or shapes for you to understand the market. So right now we see that that is what happened, but the market gave me another inverse head and shoulder right over here. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, right shoulder. So that is what gave me another confluence. So I was in, and of course, let me show you. The moment I took my buy position right here, we saw that the market pulled back, and I don't have a problem with that because I understand after an impulse we expect a correction, so I should become all the way up. And the market did this thing. And of course, this was the TP1, as you can see. So the reason why I had this level as a TP1 is because I had this high right here, this high. So that is where I needed to take my profit, because I understood that when price touches that level, I should be expecting another correction probably before we go up, or maybe see another price if it wants to reverse to the down. So that is where I took my TP, and you see today when I woke up, price started giving me this type of a pattern, and we see that is what we have currently. Okay, so that is how simple this analysis was. Okay, so initially, guys, the first thing you need to understand is how price approaching the direction of the market. Is it going up, or is it going down? Is it a bullish market or a bearish market? And after you identify those levels, that direction, then you need to understand how the price is approaching some level, support or resistance. And from that perspective, remember, most people do take their sell position at the resistance and take their buy position at the support. But if you have those patterns that I said, if you are good in patterns and shapes, guys, and you understand how price is approaching those levels, the support and resistance, I believe you will be doing opposite. When price at the resistance, I believe most people will be selling, but maybe if price is giving a continuation pattern, that is when you will be buying. So you will be trading against most of the people. So I believe, guys, you learned something. So that was a short one, and adios, my amigos. Peace.